session. India Post offers variety of services like mail, banking, insurance, remittance and philately. We were using multiple softwares and applications for different services. There was a need to integrate these multiple softwares in the application under one roof to have more clarity and visibility for effective administration and managerial decisions. India Post was able to achieve this through Core System Integrator (CSI). Core System Integrator in the Postal Department is a major update which addressed these issues by connecting every software and application to a central server. CSI is broadly classified as Point of Sale, POS and SAP, Systems, Applications and Products. The counter transactions like booking of articles, collection of e-payment amount, etc. at the post offices are done through an offline software called as Point of Sale. SAP is an online application which is not only used by the post offices but also by the administrative offices like Divisional Office, Regional Office, Circle Office, Railway Mail Service, RMS, Business Processing Centers, BPC, etc. to carry out their routine work like posting of the payments, salary disbursement and monitoring, etc. SAP is again broadly classified into DPMS, which is used for delivery of accountable mails and money orders by the post offices. HRMS, used for human resource management in post offices. Centralized complaints handling, contract maintenance with customers and finance and accounts. F&A or the finance and accounts is the heart of the SAP, wherein all the receipts and the payments made by the post offices and other units are incorporated. Even the transactions done in the offline software Point of Sale gets synchronized with the SAP and gets incorporated in the F&A. Likewise, the figures of the FINACLE and RICT are automatically synchronized at the central server and incorporated in the SAP software. But when it comes to the case of Mechamish, which is used to accept the premium amount of the PLI and RPLI, figures are manually entered in the SAP. The process of integration of the Mechamish is under progress. In F&A, each receipt and payment is represented by a 10-digit number called General Ledger Code, GL code. And each post office and each unit of India Post is identified by 10-digit number called as profit center. When an expenditure is incurred by a unit, it will be classified as a cost center. This categorization will help in the proper classification of the revenue and expenditure of a unit. It also facilitates the organizations to have a better control over its expenses and for the administrative decisions. The receipt and payment done at each post office and other units of India Post are accounted in the General Ledger Code with a respective profit center using double entry system. Regarding double entry system, we will discuss in detail later. Now, let us summarize the functions of F&A. All the receipts and the payments are accounted in the F&A in the respective general ledger codes under the respective profit centers. The expenses will be accounted in the respective expenses GL code with a clear mentioning of its cost center. The cash balance and the inventories like stamp, IPO, etc. of each post office are maintained in the F&A. Maintenance of the inventories like the stamps, IPOs and the stock is called as material management. The post offices are generating treasurer's cash book and daily accounts using this F&A. The cash remittance and inventory movement between the post offices are also carried out through F&A using material management T codes only. F&A also permits accounting of the receipts and the payments into respective general ledger codes directly through a process called as voucher posting. The accounts branch uses F&A for the disbursement of the salary, pension and other allowances. Liability creation and settlement are also done through the F&A. Friends, now let us see why F&A is rightly called as the heart of SAP. The transactions done through the offline software like point of sale and other online softwares like Finacle, McCamish, India Post Payments Bank, Common Service Centers, RACT devices of the branch post offices, etc. will synchronize the data with the central server and finally reflect in the SAP. Like all the rivers reaching the ocean, finally all the transactions done through the various softwares, applications and different platforms finally reach the SAP and get reflected in the F&A. Friends, I hope you will also now agree with me why I call the F&A as the heart of SAP. In our upcoming topics, we will discuss about each options of the SAP in detail. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.